Creating AI videos is easier than ever, but making AI videos with your own face that actually stay consistent the entire time, that's still really hard. So today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I use to turn myself into a high-action Japanese movie scene without losing facial consistency. The craziest part is I barely had to touch the editing side at all. And honestly, when I tested this for the first time, I was genuinely shocked by how good the results look. You can literally create full cinematic fight scenes with way less effort than you'd expect, like dramatic dojo shots, slow motion katana moments, intense close-ups, and somehow my face actually stayed consistent through almost the entire sequence.
So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create cinematic AI action scenes using your own face without needing some insanely complicated workflow.
So the very first thing I needed was a strong reference image of myself. Because when it comes to AI videos, consistency always starts with the reference image.
If the AI doesn't properly understand the face from the beginning, everything later starts falling apart once movement gets involved.
So for this, I headed over to the image section inside TopView AI and clicked on Text to Image. Then for the model, I selected Nano Banana 2 because it creates some of the most realistic looking images I've tested so far. After that, I uploaded a few clean photos of myself with clear angles and good lighting. Just clean reference photos so the AI can clearly understand my facial features. Then, once my references were uploaded, I started generating the first cinematic image for the video. For this scene, I wanted my character to look like she came straight out of a high-end Japanese action movie. So I generated a cinematic image of myself holding a katana, wearing full swordswoman tactical samurai-inspired clothing inside a dramatic Japanese dojo environment. And the results already looked insane before I even animated anything. Then after that, I created my opponent character. For this one, I generated a male Japanese swordsman with a darker, more intimidating look, so it would feel like a real cinematic face-off. And the important thing here was making sure both characters match stylistically.
Because if the characters feel like they belong in different worlds, the final sequence immediately stops feeling believable.
So once both characters were ready, that's where the fun part started.
Now, instead of manually generating random scenes one by one, I used the storyboard feature inside TopView AI, which makes the workflow so much easier.
So I uploaded my reference image, my opponent character, and then gave the AI a full cinematic story direction. I described a dramatic Japanese dojo confrontation between two skilled sword fighters with slow tension at the beginning, cinematic close-ups, fast katana clashes, slow motion moments, emotional facial expressions, and movie-like camera movement. Instead of giving me disconnected random shots, Storyboard actually built an entire cinematic sequence for me automatically, like wide establishing shots, close-up emotional moments, fight scenes, camera transitions, slow motion action shots, and somehow everything flowed together naturally like a real movie sequence.
It genuinely felt less like prompting AI and more like directing scenes.
So once the storyboard is generated, head over to Board. And here you'll see all the storyboard scenes we just created appear automatically. Instead of rebuilding scenes manually or jumping between different tools, the entire cinematic sequence is already laid out. So from here, we're just going to click Generate Video. Then for the model, I'm selecting Seedance 2.0. And the really cool part is that the AI already generates the prompt for you automatically based on the storyboard. So you're not starting from scratch. What I usually do is just add a few extra lines to push the scenes more towards cinematic action movie quality. So I'll add something like, shots emphasize extreme speed, intense energy collisions, and overwhelming character presence. Strong hook in the first 2 seconds, stable structure, fluid action, cinematic composition and lighting, realistic texture, epic scale, powerful emotion, high definition details.
And prompts like this make a huge difference in the final motion quality because they push the AI towards stronger cinematic pacing and more dramatic camera direction.
Now for the settings. I'm keeping the aspect ratio at 16:9 because I want the final result to feel like an actual movie scene. For duration, I'm selecting 15 seconds. Then for resolution, I'm going with 1080p. And for generation count, you can either use 1 or 2, depending on how many variations you want. So once everything is ready, just hit generate.
And after just a few seconds, the full cinematic video gets created with no complicated editing, rebuilding scenes manually, and no connecting clips yourself.
And y'all, this is the part that surprised me the most. Even during fast action scenes and movement-heavy moments, my face still stayed recognizable through most of the sequence, which is usually where AI completely breaks. The lighting stayed cinematic, the motion felt smooth, and the action scenes actually felt intense.
And the final video genuinely looked like a high-end Japanese action movie trailer. And honestly,
This is probably the first AI workflow I've tested that actually made me feel like I was inside a real movie scene, not just random AI clips stitched together.
If you want to try this yourself, you can check out TopView AI using the link in my description below. I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.
It genuinely helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating more videos like this for you.
Just play around with it, test different ideas, and see what you can come up with. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like and subscribe button for me.